How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to do this BOXY CHARM unboxing. Of course, I've been all up in it already. So, let's see what I got here. And this is my last one. My daughter gave me a 3-month subscription. I think it was, Christmas present. So, and she didn't cancel in time, so I got an extra. So, this is what the box looks like. Y'all seen them, I'm sure. BOXY CHARM. They always come with a card. La Vie en Rose. I ain't never been French, so y'all see what that says. Okay. And it tells everything that's in the box, and it describes it and gives the price of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products are in here. Okay. The first one is some Moda makeup brushes. So it has the powder brush and the soft glow brush. So I never heard of a soft glow brush before. But you can use brushes for whatever works for you. I don't really use brushes anymore. Oh, I use a couple, like for blush. I just did my nails again. Oh, these are pretty. Look at this, y'all. Shiny pink. That's what the brushes look like. And this one look like it unscrews. This powder brush. Okay, let me see. Put translucent. Well, I ain't gonna do it now. I ain't messed up my nails. And I got my eyelashes on again. So I had to do my nails, because that'd be ratchet for me to have eyelashes on and my nails are raggedy. Okay, next product is Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Enlightening, what is that? Brightening Peel Off Mask. It's by Wonder Beauty. A lot of light in here. Smell it. They got a little thing on it. So I don't smell nothing. Well, that's nice. I think I will use it. Everything is pink. Oh, that's why it said rose. La Vie en Rose. Everything is rose colored. Okay. The brushes, look at that. This. And now this. It's a lip gloss. It's called ORYZA Beauty. Oriza Beauty lip gloss. Opaline top gloss. So this is to put on top of your favorite lip color, and it'll add a special pop to your color. Or you can just wear it alone if you just want a shiny lips. But I don't wear this color, but I will use it on top of my burgundy or my red. Okay. Nice. Y'all know I love me some mascara. Look at this. Look how this packaging is. That's so cute. Manna Kadar Beauty. I ain't tell y'all the prices of nothing. Manna Kadar Bloom Mascara. This is $29. I wouldn't pay no $29 for it. Oh, it's sealed good, so I thought I was going to open it. I'm not going to open it. I got to go to my post office and pay my post office box fee for the year. I pay by the year. So those 4 items. Is that pink? It's like a rose gold color. And the next one, the last one is a palette. Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. And this is worth $45. I wouldn't pay no $45 for it. Okay, got a mirror. It's a film over the mirror. That's why it's not shiny. So it has, what kind of palette is this? 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt and contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. Okay. And these look like colors I need. What color is this? Medium deep. Yep. A medium deep color. So I guess I'll learn how to contour and highlight and all those good things. It's time to learn because I just about know how to put on lashes now. So this is the next step. I'm taking baby steps, y'all. Almost 70 years old, learning how to put on makeup. Hello. These are nice colors. I think they'll work with my complexion. So this is the highlighter here. This is the contour. This is the blush. This is another highlighter on that side. At the top is a brightener. On the bottom is a finishing powder. Everything in one thing. All right. This is a winner. Everything in here is nice. I'm not sure I'm going to keep the brushes. I might sell them on Poshmark. I'm not sure. But everything is nice. Okay. It's a winner. 2 thumbs up for BOXY CHARM for, what is this, March. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me 2 thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I was trying to see what to hold up, but I'll just pose for y'all. Okay, that's it. Thumbnail.